So even though DJI has launched plenty of devices this year, and recently we got details on their upcoming DJI Osmo Action 6. However, there is another device on the horizon, the long-awaited DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Now, though DJI is style-lipped on the device, but guess what? We already got a look at the device, suggesting the Osmo Pocket 4 will bring a lot more than just minor tweaks. Hey lads, TechScanning here. So the Osmo Pocket 4 appeared in a photo which is said to have been taken during a promotional shoot. This is giving us the impression that the device is not far away from its launch. Anyway, at first glance, it looks similar to its predecessor, the slimmer design with a 3-axis gimbal. However, one noticeable change, the Osmo Pocket 4 has 2 new buttons right below the rotatable screen. Though at the moment, we don't know their purpose, but they could serve as shortcuts for different functions, such as adjusting focus, switching between modes, and gimbal controlling. Features that will make life easier for vloggers. Another change, which is revealed by a side-by-side comparison of the Osmo Pocket 3 and 4 chassis. And it showed that the Pocket 4 will be slightly taller and narrower than the Pocket 3. However, overall maintaining its signature pocketable design. Now, this is in line with the earlier leaked documents, which says the Pocket 4 will be around 3.5mm thinner and 4mm narrower. However, it will be 5mm taller than its predecessor. Though these are small changes, but the Osmo Pocket 4 is said to bring significant weight reduction from 179 grams to just 116 grams. Moving on, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to feature 2 cameras, which is a significant change over its predecessor's single lens. Now, unfortunately, details about these camera sensors are still under wraps, except that one of the sensors is expected to be the OmniVision OV50 or 40. So, just like their upcoming Action Cam Osmo Action 6, the Osmo Pocket 4 is also getting worthy upgrades. By the way, we also got plenty of details on the Osmo Action 6, including its design before the launch. To check it out, click here, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.